So imagine that it's the end of the month and you just got paid for all of your hard work. You're excited to finally try buying something online, like maybe a new set of headphones or maybe a new game on your favorite gaming platform. You might even want to try that new dish your local restaurant started offering recently. But then, as you open your PayPal app to check your balance, you realize that you don't really have that much after all of those taxes and bills were deducted from your pay. It's a little sad to think about that, much less to even experience it. It's never fun to open up your PayPal account and see a zero that doesn't follow any number on your balance. Some of you might feel like no matter how hard you try to get out of this financial rut, nothing seems to work. If you have been there and maybe are still in that situation, then don't fret. We've got you covered. What you're about to watch right this very moment will help you earn a cool $400 to $600 per day on your PayPal that easy. Yup, this kind of thing is exactly what we want to help you with through our videos on Daily Payday. You can obtain your first PayPal account if you haven't already created one before and start earning money through it as soon as you finish this video. Before that though, let's get acquainted. Welcome to Daily Payday, the only channel you'll ever need to visit to get the best tips and tricks on how to make money online and easily. Be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to get updates on any new upcoming videos, community posts, and more awesome and profitable content and strategies coming your way. Also, don't forget to leave a like because it helps us out just as much as it'll help you out in the long run. If you've got any questions or concerns, don't be afraid to leave comments in the comments section of the video down below. Today, we're going to showcase a new way for pretty much anyone like you to earn money through PayPal. This method is completely free, and you don't need to invest anything or buy anything. Pretty much anyone in the world can use this method to earn some cash. In fact, the first requirement that you'll be needing for this guide will be an internet-capable device, like say for example a smartphone, a tablet or iPad, or a computer or laptop. You can even use more than one of these and you'll be able to earn more money at a faster pace. The second requirement for this guide is that you'll need some time to accomplish the basic money-making tasks that you'll be given down the line for this process. As a general rule of thumb, we'd say at least 5 to 10 minutes each day should be enough to accomplish these easy and simple money-making tasks. Lastly, you should be able to follow clear, simple, and easy-to-complete instructions that will be laid out by us in this video. You should be able to complete these instructions one by one. If you do, you'll be able to make quite a bit of money using the method we'll be teaching you today. Before we continue with the next part of the video though, we'd like you to leave a like on the video if you're enjoying it so far and to hit that subscribe button for more updates and money-making strategy videos coming your way. Are you ready to learn about our exciting new strategy? Well then, how about we get right into it? Sit down, relax, and prepare to learn how to earn. Let's start off with another reminder. These money-making techniques are all completely free and are available for anyone in the world with a PayPal account to take advantage of and earn some money from. Let's say you don't have a PayPal account though, we've got you covered on that front. We'll teach you how to create an account. Now, before anything else, you should head on to paypal.com. From there, simply click the sign up button right here. You'll then be taken to this website where you can take the first step to registering for an account. Here, the easiest thing you can do is to choose to create a personal account and click Next. You'll then be taken to yet another page where you'll be able to fill out a simple form to sign up for your free PayPal account. With that done, you'll be able to receive money from sources across several nations all over the globe. Next up, we'll move on to step 2. We'd like you to visit betatesting.com. Now, when you land on the homepage of this site, you're going to click on this link at the top of the page, the one that says Join as a Beta Tester. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be taken to a page with a headline that reads Early Adopters. Join the Beta Tester community. As you'll probably have noticed by now, this website is a site that allows you to test out a plethora of interesting new products. You'll essentially get paid to provide feedback on all these new applications, websites, and goods. But don't worry, providing feedback on all of these is actually a lot easier than you'd think. In fact, we can show you an example in a minute. But first, you're going to want to browse all the tests that you can run on this new app's website and hardware, all of which can be found right here on the site. You'll probably be able to obtain lots of programs that you can try and start using and testing to start earning money online for testing them. Now, keep your eye on the screen because we're going to teach you how you'll be able to accomplish these tasks in just a few moments. Let's move on now. Once you've received the project, you're going to want to go and complete your assignment. Then begin providing feedback on the app and your overall user experience and submit any bug reports you've encountered. After this, you'll be paid for your hard work. As you'll see here below, most tests on this site pay between $10 to $20, and depending on the kinds of tests you're conducting, you can make much more money if you work online. Moving on to the next step, we're going to show you the way to create a free account on betatesting.com. You'll see a field on the beta testing page that is asking for your email address. You're going to want to click on it to make it active. Then, enter your email address and click on Sign Up. This will bring you to this page that essentially asks for a profile picture, your password, first name, last name, primary TV manufacturer and the model number of your TV, the devices you wish to enter into beta testing, your age, gender, country, time zone, postal code, and many more fields that will basically just attempt to collect your information for your account. Now that's done! Let's move on to the next step of our guide, where we'll find you a list of apps that you can use to start generating income from betatesting.com. Now, you should remember that beta test availability is influenced by your country of origin as well as the devices that you've mentioned when you were setting up your account. Regardless, you'll be able to test a variety of apps and to earn money from this. As an example, let's say you've been meaning to test this app on Google Play. You could do just that. What you'll need to do next is to go find that app on the Google Play Store and to download, start, and use or play these apps and provide feedback on it for $10 to $20 per app that you test. The great thing about this is that as long as you have an internet connection, you can do this on your mobile phone, be it on Android or on iOS. It's definitely true that you can test apps on a website and make some extra money by doing that. Now we're going to give you a quick example so you can get the whole process of the guide we mentioned and so that you can have a better understanding of what you need to do and what you stand to earn from this technique. Once you find a project to test on websites such as eBay, you can pretty much complete the project. First up, head to eBay's website and click the link found on the project documents. Once you've gotten to eBay's official website, you can just as easily follow the steps outlined in the project document, which can consist of many types of tasks, like for example, navigating a website, searching for a product, taking screenshots of how pages look like on your device, among many other kinds of tasks. The main idea behind this kind of earning opportunity is that the people who are working on these websites, apps, and games want to see if users can have a smooth and enjoyable experience while using their app. They're willing to pay users to try and test their apps so that they can optimize the user experience for those apps and make their product more attractive to users overall. It sounds crazy that by simply testing an app, you'll earn a lot of money by evaluating the website and reading through different sections of those sites too. Do note that some of these websites are actually sites that include pretty fresh and innovative and engaging concepts. In a way, it's a win-win situation. And that's it. That brings us to the end of the video. If you liked it and the information you learned from it, be sure to leave a like to show us some support and help our channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell because we release videos often and each one of them is sure to help you earn some extra cash on the side to help you pay for that loan, down payment, mortgage, or any other kind of financial need that you have. Have a good day and we'll see you in the next video.